Hi everybody, I am FGSL and I will show you how to use ToFloat filter of Laminas framework. Well, first of all, you need to download Laminas filter component. You can do it using Composer with require command. Require has to receive Laminas/Laminas-filter as argument. Then this command will download Laminas filter component or update it if you already have it. Well, I will create a file named ToFloat.php. In this file, I will open PHP tech. I will import Composer autoloading file in vendor/autoload.php. I use the namespace for ToFloat class. Use Laminas/filter/ToFloat. Well, I will create a variable named filter. This variable is equal to new ToFloat. Filter is an instance of ToFloat class. And next I will print the output of filter method. Filter method receive a string with a numeric value. For example, we can write minus 5.6. In fact, it's better we store the result in a variable. Result receives the output of filter method, and now we can print, or better, we can use, in this case, var_dump function, because this function will print not only the value, but the information about its type. Then I will use var_dump function, passing result variable as argument to it. Well, now I will save this file and close it. I will clear this screen and I will run the file to float test.php. Observe that the output is float, then the output of ToFloat filter is a float value, and the value is minus 5.6. That is the former string value that we have passed to filter method of ToFloat class. Well, this is the ToFloat filter of Laminas framework. If you have any question about this filter, you can write your questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.